Hi everyone, welcome to my vlog. Today we explore some of the famous historical places in Manila. First, we visit the National Museum of Fine Arts. Then we walk around Intramuros, and after that we went to Binondo for a food trip. Let's go. We are now here at the National Museum of Fine Arts. This museum is known for its amazing artworks made by Filipino artists. One of the most famous paintings here is the Spolarium by Juan Luna. Trivia fact: the Spolarium won a gold medal in Madrid, Spain in 1884. It became a symbol of Filipinos' pride and struggle of Filipinos during the Spanish colonial period. Next, we visit Intramuros, also called the Walled City. It was built during Spanish colonial period and used to be the center of government and religion in Manila. Trivia fact: the word Intramuros means within the walls in Spanish. Inside Intramuros, you can find many historic places like Fort Santiago and Manila Cathedral. Habang nasa Intramuros kami, pumunta rin kami sa Fort Santiago. Isa ito sa mga pinakakilalaan ng mga kasaysayang lugar sa Maynila. One important lesson we can learn from visiting Intramuros and Fort Santiago is the importance of remembering our history. Then places reminds us of struggle and sacrifice of Filipino during the Spanish colonial period. In Fort Santiago, the national hero Jose Rizal was imprisoned before his execution in 1896. Because of this, the places become a symbols of courage, sacrifice, and the fight of freedom. By visiting historical places like Intramuros and Fort Santiago, we learn to appreciate our culture, understand our past, and value the freedom that Filipinos fought for. Walking around Intramuros feels like traveling back in time. The old walls, streets, and buildings showed what Manila looked like during the Spanish colonial period. Binondo is known as the oldest Chinatown in the world, established in 1594 during the Spanish colonial period. It became a place where Chinese immigrants lived and started businesses, which is why many delicious Chinese Filipino food can still be found here today.
Magkamaling iwanan ka.
Bye bye.